I'm former California Superior Court presiding judge Sherrill Ellsworth, and I've been on the front lines of resolving parents' conflict for decades. But as a twice married, once divorced mother of 6, I've seen it all. Whether you're dealing with a true parenting partner or a genuine jerk, there's two sides to every story. I want to hear yours. This is the coParenter Project, and I'm here to answer your coParenting questions. Hi guys, welcome to the coParenter Project. Today's question is incredibly common, so listen up. My kids and I are supposed to travel to Montreal, Canada, and my coParent is refusing to give me their passports. I don't want to spend thousands of dollars fighting this in court. What are my options? This really isn't the kind of case you want to have in court. There are people out there that can assist you in these types of disputes because in the long run they are minor in the scheme of things and don't really belong in court. This isn't legal advice. This is just my perception and my thoughts from my experience. If you need or want legal advice, you need to talk to an attorney. Look, in real life, what happens with vacationing is there's give and take. Why does that have to stop when you get a divorce or split up? Your kids, you want to enjoy both ends of this. They want to vacation with you in Montreal, as well as in Austin, Texas, with a family that sets a great barbecue. So instead of having problems or waiting until there's an emergency, a week out, that's kind of an emergency to gather those passports. Why don't you back it out and start planning in advance, communicating between one another, and do a little give and take dance? The court looks at planning that went into this. Is this a tradition that you've kept for years and years and years? Is this something you did as an intact family? Always go to Montreal year after year. Enjoy the poutine. As a child advocate, I'm really looking at the child's needs. Vacations and cultural experiences are important for children. Children like to spend that holiday time away with their parents. And if you're feuding and fighting over this and they never get to take that downtime with their parents, only get to be shuttled back and forth, then the effect on the children is stymied. They don't get to have that time where you're playful or away from the job. It's really important that you honor vacation time and embrace holiday time of your co-parenting partner. You'll need passports and a letter of authorization in order to travel out of the country. Perhaps what you need until you can get to the point of those type of agreements is a third party to act as a special referee. They can actually hold the passports for you. Don't take this to court. That's just stressful to the kids. The kids know when you're going to court. Half the time they know the outcome before you even have gotten home. Use a third party. Do something other than having to take this into court.